A podcast level microphone that you can plug straight into your phone is honestly genius. This is the Shure MV88 Podcast Mini microphone, and it works exactly like a podcast microphone, except it's tiny. Now this is the sound coming from my camera, and this is the sound coming from this mini microphone. As you guys can hear, there's a massive difference between the audio quality. If you're someone who doesn't want to carry a big microphone everywhere you go, but you still want a podcast level microphone that sounds almost just as good as a real microphone, I think the Shure MV88 mini microphone is your friend. Now, Shure is one of the best when it comes to making podcast quality microphones, and honestly, no other brand can even compete to how close the microphones sound, which is why they are the most expensive, but they're also the best in the game. Like, they're well known for making the highest quality microphones. If you're interested in checking out this mini microphone by Shure, I went ahead and tagged it at the bottom of this video. I also think they're on some sort of sale at the time of making this video, so definitely check to see if that sale is still there, and I left you that link below.